You guys, what's up? Today I'm just gonna make a little tutorial on how to get like my what's called colors in Titanfall. So first, what you want to do is you want to look up your what's it called, in your Titanfall directory under the R2 little folder. You go to CFG. This line isn't gonna be here for you, so what you want to do is you're just gonna make a new text document, or like whatever, just anything that you can type with. I don't think this works though. Whatever. Make that, name it what I have here, autoexec.cfg, and inside of it, inside of it you're gonna have what I'm going to post in the description of the video. And this is just basically all of my stuff that I have for in-game. This is just things that help with, colors and stuff. It turns off fog, things like that. And what that does is it gives you a little bit of FPS because it forces the game to not load certain things. That's pretty much it. Oh, and down here, this little section, this is how I can have different colors. If you ever watch me stream, and I like change the colors on the fly, this is how. So I'll just copy and paste this in the description. And after you paste that into here, what you want to do is go into properties and set it to read only. It won't work unless this is here. So alright guys, once you're done with this, you're just gonna bring up your origin, go into your Titanfall and your game library, go into settings, game properties, advanced launch options. I'll copy and paste this entire thing into the description as well. And I'll explain what each of these do. No vid gives you no startup video, so it just skips right to the game. You don't have to watch the developer little movie that they put in. High, it makes your PC run Titanfall at its highest priority, so it won't just split it with Discord or something. It'll have all of its its stuff running for it. This is what you want for your config that you just set up to work. I'll just have all these in the description, so you don't need to worry about that. This, I don't know why I have this in here. I tried it once. I thought this, since it was a source game, it would do it. This is just to make it so that it automatically loads into the multiplayer as soon as it can, so I don't have to click it because I'm lazy. Full screen, just because full screen. Raw input, because you always want the raw input on your mouse. And no menu vid one. This just gets rid of the background of the main menu. So mine is all green because, and I'll show you that in a second. But yeah. Alright guys, we're loading up Titanfall right now, and I just want to show you what everything looks like. So I haven't pressed any buttons, and it's automatically gonna load into the main menu, so I don't have to skip. And this is the no menu video, and I haven't pressed anything, and it loads me automatically into the multiplayer. So that's just what those things do, those launch options do. And this is how my game starts every time, and if you see this, it's perfectly fine. That means it worked. Now all you're gonna do is press F6 through F12 on your keyboard, and this should enable you to have different color options. And you can go in the config, unselect read only, edit it to whatever you want, try out different colors, and then just set it back to read only, and it'll work again. So here, I'll just give you an example. This is F6 for me, F7. This is what I normally run, F7. It gets rid of a bunch of lighting around corners that don't need it, just blank walls that have lighting that doesn't serve purpose other than to make the game look good. So if that interests you, this F7 is my go-to that you'll see on stream a lot. F8 just brings back the sun a little bit. F9 even more. F10 is very funky. F12 is kind of the same, and F11. My bad. This is F11. F12 is just you'll see in the config what the different colors mean. But anyway, yeah, that's just the tutorial. If you want to add me on Origin, it's right here. I change my name often though, so check in with my stream and you'll see what I'm rocking that day or that week, whatever. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you later.